What's going on, creative designers? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to look at how to create Wi-Fi logo together. All right, so we are going to go through it step by step, and that's the easiest route to create Wi-Fi logo. So if you're new to my channel, I am Emma Graphics. Here we learn everything related to graphic design. All right, so you may want to stick around to the end of this video in order for you to you know, enjoy the video and learn one or two things. So if you don't know anything at all related to CorelDraw, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and then go and watch the beginners class. Go to my channel, just scroll down and look for, just type and search for CorelDraw for beginners, so you'll be able to learn CorelDraw right from the scratch. But today we are going to focus on how to create Wi-Fi logo. Without any further ado, as soon as you launch your CorelDraw, and just like this, I'm just going to just skip this one somewhere here so that you can see. And yeah, so the first thing you are going to do is to come here, come to your, this place is called toolbox. All right, so for those of you who doesn't understand, all right, this is toolbox. So you come here and look for ellipse tool. Your ellipse tool is somewhere here. All right, this is your ellipse tool, so click on it, and yeah, just come here and draw a circle. Right, so this is how you're gonna just click and drag, so you have a circle. But in order to have a perfect circle, because you can see, if you look at the circle, is everything is just perfect. But if I release my hand like this, look at what we have there. So I'm holding down my control key on my keyboard in order to have that perfect cycle. But if you are using let's say MacBook, okay, for the big boys, so just press down the command key, so it will give you the same result. All right, so once that is done, you have something like this. Let me remove the fill color and then give black outline, something like that. All right, so this is what we are going to have. All right, so if you look closely, you can see that we have black spot around this circle. All right, so you can see black spot. This black spot here, I in my beginners class, I told you that this thing is called anchor point. So this is called anchor point. So all you need to do, you come to this your anchor point, this by the right hand side, or if you want to click here, but don't click here. All right, so you are clicking either here or here or here or here, not here, not here, not here, not here. So you are clicking here, then click here and drag in. All right, while holding down your shift key. This time around, you are holding down your shift key in order to give you the perfect cycle. So just hold down the shift key while you click and drag in to the box. All right, to the circle, into the circle rather. So just click and drag in, then right click immediately to have a duplicate. As you can see, we now have two circles. So now the next thing you are going to do, you are going to press Control D on your keyboard to give you more duplicate, because I think I need 6. All right, so this is 1 2 3 4. No, I think I need 3. Yeah, 1 2 3. Let's use it. So once you have, let's add one more. Okay, so once you have something like this, I think that's enough. So once you have something like this, all right, the next thing you are going to do, you go back to your tools box again, and then bring the line, that's the 2-point line. So this is your 2-point line. Click on it and then just draw a line. So all we need is just to draw a line. So once you get to this center, just leave it like this. All right, so you have something like this. You can return the pick tool, then you come to this particular one, the middle one, click and drag while holding down the control key. You are holding down control key this time around and drag to your right hand side. So once you have something like this on your screen, right click immediately in order to have a duplicate. All right, so that's just step 1. The next step, we are going to use the smart fill in order to make your Wi-Fi. All right, so come down here, your tools box again. So in the beginners class, I told you your tools box is almost like everything. That's your property bar, and your tools box are the areas you are going to use the most. So go to your smart fill, just right click. If you can't find it here, just right click on this little box here. So sorry, click on this little box here. So this option will pop up like this. So you are not using the mesh field, you are not using the interactive field, you are using the smart field, this particular one, the middle one. Click on it. If you can't find it on your own CorelDraw, wherever you are using, I think you have to upgrade your CorelDraw to maybe the latest version, either anything from 2021. You're definitely going to have it 2020, 2021, you know, and so on. So just come here and then drop this here, drop this other one here, then drop this. I think this is not enough. All right, but yeah, this is just like yeah, this. So just let's start from here. Then we drop one here, we drop another one here, drop another one here. Okay, basically that is how it should be. But what I'm going to do in order to have, because I did not draw enough circle, all right, sorry about that, we need to have enough circle in order to, so we are going to measure the circle. I think we are going to have more than six. So in order to have that, so now I'm just going to do it again, something like this quickly, without wasting your time. It's the same process, but we're just going to have more duplicate. All right, sorry, going to have more duplicate. All right, something, it doesn't matter, anyhow, just give it more duplicate. This time around I duplicated enough, I think. So you're just going to draw this and then drag this to the side. All right, something like this. Then you now use your smart fill. We did everything right, it's just that we didn't have enough duplicate. All right, so something like this. All right, okay, that's it. I think that's it. So now this is enough, so you can now delete the rest. Just right click on this particular one, delete it, right click on this one, delete it. Just delete all these particular ones, or this one, we don't need it. All right, so delete it, delete this, delete the line as well, delete the line as well. So you now have your Wi-Fi like this, logo like this. Right click to remove the outline. All right, so obviously this is I mean the easiest way to, you know, get the Wi-Fi logo. So now you can just give it a color, different color, okay, whichever color that you want to give it. Let's give it this one, black color, and equally leave the blue color somewhere around here. So this is how to create a Wi-Fi logo. And yeah, I hope you learned something, and if you have any question, drop it right under the comment section and I will be happy to respond. See you in my next video. Bye for now.